As we proceed, Warrant Officer Mabasa, good morning again.
Good morning.
How was the weekend?
Not so bad.
Not so bad. Thank you. Now, Warrant Officer Mabaso, you would agree with me that the natureness of a person, that is the left-hand side of a person and the right-hand side of a person, whether he gets taken, whether his photo gets taken through a selfie or a direct phone, a direct photo. The natureness of a person, his right-hand hand will remain his right-hand hand and his left-hand hand will remain his left-hand hand, not so.
Bathi yakuvuma yini ukuthi ke uma ngabe ke umuntu asethi uthula ke isithombe ke ngeselfie ke lapho ke usho ukuthi isandla sakhe sokudla sishintshike lapho ke sihlala kuyiso isandla sokudla futhi nesandla sokunxele khala kuyiso isandla sokunxeleke nanoma bemthula ke isithombe ngecamera eqondile ngabe akusinjalo yini?
That's correct.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. Now you have mentioned that there's a photo which could have been taken by a selfie and you went on to demonstrate how a selfie gets taken, not so?
Bathi uthi sekunesithombe ke lensi engenza ukuthi basithula ke ngoselfie ke lapho ke futhi watshengisa ke inkosi enkantolo ukuthi isithombe saka selfie isithombe sinjani akusenjalo?
That's correct.
Athi yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. Now, as well, I don't know if you've got all the exhibits there. I want us to look at exhibit SD. My Lord, maybe as we are preparing for that exhibit SD, I'm missing my Parker pen. You know, I've been using that pen since 1989. I don't know what happened to it on Friday. Yeah, maybe somebody picked it up. I don't know. I did not have a nice weekend, so I'm just pleading if there's anybody who might have picked it up. That pen is of a sentimental value to me. If there's a person who might have picked it up, please. It's a Parker pen that has got a silver portion and a blue portion on top. Please, I request that I should be favored with it. It's of a sentimental value, but as I'm saying, I've been using it since 1989. So it just disappeared on Friday here. I don't know what happened to it, but with that as it may, thank you very much, madam. On exhibit SD. Yeah, well, I'm not so sure, Marot, whether I need to request for an adjournment so that we request the in-house technician to come and assist us with the beaming of that photo there, because apparently the state decided in uncertain terms that they will no longer be assisting. Because I want to deal now with exhibit SD.
Uyacela ke umele uthi inkosi enkantolo isilekeleleke ethi zethule ke umuntu osebenza la enkantolo ongasiza ke ethizeni wasikhanyisela imibukiso lona khona ngala futhi nanje athi umuntu ozosiza ethizeni asitshengise ke ithombe nalana ngoba athi uzothanda ubuza ke ithombe nemibukiso ekhona ke ngaphakathi ko SD.
Dr. Sabanda, who is the in-house technician?
My Lord, I do not know the name of the in-house technician. The one who works for the Department of Justice, the one that I know works for the NPA, and is the one who's been coming here to assist us. And then I think we are on the same boat. He cannot assist because he works for the NPA. So maybe the registrar can assist to get the in-house technician that works for the Department of Justice.
I think, my Lord, Advocate Sivande must not take it personal. There's nothing personal here. You can't say the guy that is working for NPA cannot assist because they are in the same boat. No, they're not in the same boat. The guy that works for NPA, he's not prosecuting. He's just a technician. He's an operator of gadgets. So if he's available, he can come and assist. But Mrs. Sivande must just avoid to take things personal. There's nothing personal here. So if that NPA gentleman is available, he can come and assist. If he's not available, then we'll have to arrange it with the chief registrar here at the court for somebody to come and assist.
Ratha? Register again.
Bakhuluma ngodaba lokuthi bathi
Mina nedwaba.
babesibanda okhona-ke umuntu osebenza lapha ngaphakathi ngaphansi komofisi ase-NPA kepha-ke bangaphansi komkhumbi owodwa-ke ngekho akaboni ukuthi kuyinto eqondile thizeni bamlethe la azosilekelela-ke ethizeni basitshengise iy'thombe lanathi lezikhangiso lezi-ke izathi kumele cha lo muntu-ke uyenako usekhethweni elikahle futhi esesimeni esiqondile-ke ngoba akasebenzi ngaphansi kwalaba abashushisayo kepha usebenza nje ngokuthi yena i-technician futhi lezi amakhompyutha lezi zobucwebo uyena oyishayayo-ke lezo manje khona-ke wala ekhaya basomcingayo sathi bazomthola noma into bamthola.
My Lord, I'm sorry, I can't hold myself. As an officer of the court, my Lord, to see this level of pettiness amongst counsel. I'm an attorney, I'm not an advocate. I come from magistrates' courts, regional courts before I entered the fray of the high courts, my Lord. I've never seen pettiness like this. I've never seen something bordering on the unprofessional like this, my Lord. I was taught as a law student, Law 101, back at VETS 1989, that as an attorney, you stay above your emotions. You represent your client, the state represents whoever, with the quorum to the court and professionalism amongst us. But what I see today, my Lord, I'm baffled, I'm amazed. I can't hold myself. I'm sorry. I had to put that on record.
Mr. Ngumalo, any comments?
I have no comment, thank you.
Maybe in addition, my Lord, I think it will be prudent again to be noted that, I'm sorry, there are minutes that are rolling here, and I think I said the other time that each and every minute is important in the trial, my Lord, owing to the fact that it's almost 2 years down the line. We've made some inroads. It is good, but however, we through emotionalizing things, there's a propensity that more time could be wasted, man. I think the time that is being used here to try and assist, because of the submission by the state that they will no longer be using the assisting the defense. It's a little bit odd, my Lord. Thank you.
Please, Madam, just to remind the court what Mr. Mnisi said on Friday. He said it that he does not want the state to assist. They will bring their own operator. So what is being petty about that? He has not retracted that. He said he doesn't want the state to operate. I must be removed. That's what he said. So now I'm excusing myself from that. Now I'm being called petty and being emotional. That's good, please.
I'm afraid to say anything, because if I say anything, I'll be said to be either a racist or whatever, or paluka, or mohu, pari, what. This is South Africa. And when I say that, I must go, he must go. So that's why I'm keeping quiet. Yeah. Please.
Whilst we're still waiting, I just want to place on record what we found online, a Merriam-Webster dictionary, which defines what is a hired gun. It says an expert hired to do a specific and often ethically dubious job. That's correct, please.
Dubious.
That's correct.
Yeah, well, I don't know what is the relevance of this, my lord, but well, my colleague is referring to something else. I've said it's there in the law report. So I don't know whether what is reading here is authority or what, but he said it's, I don't know, it comes from.
I can tell what you're thinking. You know and I know.
What is it, madam?
We both know. I do?
It seems that they need an extra official who's going to
An extra?
an official who comes with a laptop who's going to assist with the projection. So unfortunately, as the court, we're not in a position to provide that person. I'm already understaffed. So I don't have an official who I'm going to say I must now assign. So honestly speaking, it would be the responsibility of legal aid to ensure that they are fully equipped to proceed. So if they need to have a laptop and someone to come and do this, then it's best they do that. But we don't have, and we are generally not, it's not within our scope of work, so to speak. May I excuse?
Yeah, okay, fine. There's nothing I can say. Okay.
Thank you.
I was saying that I printed manje-ke ngisho-ke bafowethu usisi asho khona njalo ukuthi cha-ke awukhona umsebenzi wabo-ke thizeni balekelele-ke abameli mayelana nalo daba lolo abameli babafisa ukuthi babasize ngalo-ke athi uma ngabe abameli banesicelo soko kwamele ukuthi kuqhamuke-ke abantu lapha kumahhovisi wabo-ke abameli beze bephethe futhi i-laptop yabo bese bahamba nabo-ke bahlale phansi babalekelele ngodaba lolu olukhethekile lwey'thombe thizeni basitshengise zona kakulakhe lesikhangiso lesi.
These two are from our IT. I don't know if they can assist.
Sebetsa ko kae?
The IT technician.
You're a technician?
Yes.
Samugwali, the gentleman in front of us.
Not be prudent for us just to take a break, otherwise we're turning this whole court sitting into a bit of
Yeah, what's the time there?
an inconvenience, my lord.
10:52.
Okay, you'll call me when you're ready.
As it is a court.